So I welcome you all for the today's online session on how to file a design patent in India. So in this presentation, we are going to see the different step-by-step guide manual for filing the design patents in India. Before that, let us discuss the session objectives. So what are the key objectives of design patents? And what are all the different the composition it has. Let us discuss the various composition of design patterns under the key objectives. The first one is protection of aesthetics appeal. The main primary concern is to safeguard the external look and feel of the product design by protecting its geometry, shape, appearance, different configuration, etc. So by doing so, the inventors will try to gain the exclusive right to use their own uh, innovative design for marketing, as well as they can license the registered design for further prior use so that it can be preventing the competitors from selling the similar look kind of products. At the outset, we can promote a lot of creativity and innovation in research and development related activities by creating an industry institute hub within each and every educational institution setup. Moreover, we can enhance the market value and the appeal. So by protecting the uniqueness of the product design, so it will further increase or boost up the product's attractiveness to various consumer by enhancing the market value. Now let us get in touch with the main presentation for today. So what do you mean by a design pattern? So the primary definition or a meaning, so it describes the functional process of drafting the layout for the product design. Moreover, it tells about what are all the different design unique features of the product. So shape, texture, color, appearance, etc. So for these things, we require a certain thing to be protected. So for that, we need to legally proceed to IPR portal for filing our design pattern within India. What are the various eligibility criteria for design pattern filing? First and foremost thing is your design idea should be new and it should never publish or used anywhere globally before the filing date. And purely your design must relate to the manufactured product. And it should not be any working model or a prototype. How to make the design application? What are the different preparation steps for the design application? First one is visual representation. Prepare a high quality line drawing with the help of the CAD softwares. So draft all the views of the designs by showing front view, backside view, side view, top view, bottom and isometric view. So all the views we need to draft and show it individually in each visual representation sheets. Then draft the statement of novelty very clearly, highlighting the unique visual features of the design. How far that distinguish your design from the other one. And if there is any disclaimer, add the disclaimer for any mechanical part or a trademark or standard elements visible in the design representation. So these are the main things to be done during the preparatory stage. So the next one is where to file and how to file the design application in India. So applications are filed online through official website of Intellectual Property India portal. And there are different nodal centers within India, say Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. So all the nodal centers will accept the design application all over the year. So what are the important documents to be sent for filing? First one is form 1, application form number 1. Next one is a design representation sheets, the statement of novelty, and the official fees which is applicable for the design application. So who can file the design application? Any individuals or the legal entities or small firms, big, large companies can do it either with or without the third party people. If we have the digital signature, directly we can file it through online portal with a better experience. What are the types of applications and the priority claim? The first one is ordinary application. So this can be done directly in India without claiming any foreign priority date. So once after submitting the ordinary application, within the 6 month of time period, we can go for filing the conventional application with reference to the yearly priority date. So what are the stages followed in design patent examination process? So once after filing the design application, that will be sent for formal examination. The controller of the patent will examine the design application. If there is any objection or queries, that will be raised by the controller, and it is the duty of the inventor to answer for all the objection raised by the controller. Once all the objections are fair enough, that will be approved and granted finally. So this is the steps to be followed in the case of examination process for a design patent. So here are some of the preliminary work, that is post-filing work before the grant. So once after approving the patent idea or the patent idea for a particular design application, immediately that will be published in the magazine of Indian Patent Journal. Next one, the particular inventor will be given an exclusive rights for a limited lifetime of 10 years in order to protect the design innovation. And later on, that will be likely to be extended by further 5 years upon renewal. And what is the outcome of this? So inventors can enjoy the commercial value by selling the registered designs for starting any legal business assets. What are the various do's and don'ts that has to be strictly followed during the preparatory steps? So first thing is conduct a thorough design search on any official database before filing the design application. And it is mandatory to file the design application as earlier as possible before the public disclosure in order to maintain the novelty. Use digital signature and online payment for smooth process of e-filing. Next thing is avoid submitting incomplete views of the design. Don't disclose your design publicly before filing. That will spoil the novelty. Don't ignore the examiner's objection deadlines. That will lead to sudden rejection of the design application. So these are the things to be done and things to be avoided very strictly. So what are the steps to be carried out for protecting your innovation with confidence? So the first stage is perform and research and explore the existing possibility of designs. Is there any possibility of existing design to further refined or modify to the next level? Prepare the data, gather all representation sheets, file the design application through with the help of IP India portal, and finally protect your design idea by getting the exclusive commercial rights. So these are the way in which we can protect your innovation with confidence. So here I have given the IP India portal. For any clarification regarding the procedure, the guidelines, you can click on this web link for further getting of information for your kind reference. These are some of my sample design work done in the recent past. I have listed for your kind reference. And these are some of my granted application designs. So based on the above given information, I conclude that securing a design registration in India is one of the most important critical business strategy that will offer a legal shield for the aesthetic visual appeal of the product and ensures the design creators by monetizing their original design with proper licensing and business approach. So with the above all, I thank all the participants for attending the today's online session on how to file a design application in India. So we will meet in the next upcoming lecture series. Once again, I thank all the students, faculties, and industry professionals. Thank you all.